it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with, yes, I'm also doing it. I'm going to be mixing all my foundations, my liquid highlighters, and concealers together. So I'm super excited to be doing this. I believe the girl who started it, name was Safiya. I'll leave all her information down below. I'll leave her video down below, her channel, and everything. You guys can go check her out. I'm pretty sure she did start this. If you guys know who did start it, let me know down below. But I will link her channel down there as well. But I'm really excited for this. Everyone's been doing this on YouTube, and of course, if everyone's doing it, I gotta do it because it looks so cool and I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm really excited to be doing that. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see me mix all my makeup together, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already have my eyeshadow done, my eyebrows, all that's all done. We're going to be going ahead and doing our foundation, our concealer, and our liquid highlighters. You guys know when I do my foundation, I love to apply a liquid highlighter, so that's why I decided to do that as well. Now, I don't have a lot of foundations like some other YouTubers have. They have like 30 to 50, 100 foundations. I don't have that. I have about maybe like 10 foundations, which is a lot for people who don't do makeup maybe, but I only have 10, which isn't that much, so hopefully that's still okay. I really went to this video. I do have some concealers as well, maybe like 5, 6 concealers and a little bit of liquid highlighters, but I still went to this video for you guys, so hopefully that's okay. So let's go ahead and get to mixing. As you saw, I mixed all my foundations, my concealers, and my highlighters. Let's go ahead. I already want to moisturize, and we're going to go in with the foundation. That is definitely my color. It matches perfectly. I'm going to do a second layer. Okay, that looks so nice, so dewy. It's like literally my perfect match. And a lot of people I watch these videos, a lot of them were perfect matches. And it's crazy. Like, you would think mixing them all together, you want to get a perfect match. So it would be a little bit off, but it's like identical. Because, of course, all your foundation shades are in the exact same color. But this looks so good. And most of my foundations are dewy. I don't really have any matte foundations. Except the L'Oreal one, Infallible, that I put in there. This looks so, oh my gosh, this is like probably my favorite foundation. It looks so good. I did 2 layers. The first layer was medium to full coverage, and then I went in with the second layer and it was like full coverage. And this looks so good. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer. Looks like a perfect shade once again. It looks like it would be light. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a perfect shade. I'm really excited for this. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. It's so dewy too. It has like a nice luminosity to it. Oh my gosh. The difference is just incredible. This looks, oh my gosh, it looks so good. It doesn't feel cakey or full coverage. It's so lightweight and dewy. My skin has never looked this flawless. It looks so airbrushed. I think every day I'm going to have to mix all my foundations together because, and my concealers, because this is amazing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead because I know you're not supposed to apply powders over liquids. I mean, liquids over top powders, but that's how I do my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead, set all of this, and then apply my liquid highlighter on top. And I'm so excited for that part, but this, look at close up. Holy bajoli, it looks so good. I love it. That's what it looks like. I obviously didn't set it, but there's no flashback. My face obviously looks white because I didn't set it and I have no bronzer on, but it looks so, so good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set this to the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back for the liquid highlighter. So I am back. I went ahead and put on bronzer. I finished my eyes, some blush, and lipstick. So yeah, I'm really excited for this liquid highlighter. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it. This is what it looks like. It's like a pinky highlight there, and I'm really excited. So stunning. Look at that. Amazing. I'm going to go ahead and set that with, you know, my e.l.f. highlighter. I use it all the time. My skin has never looked this flawless than it does with like these 10 foundations and concealers on. Look at that. This is the final results. I'm going to take another flash photography picture to see what it looks like. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So far, I'm really loving how this looks. I'm not going to be doing a wear test because I'm not going anywhere. And honestly, I don't think I would wear this again because it definitely feels very cakey. It feels like I'm wearing a lot of foundation for sure, but it looks flawless. It looks really good. And it was a fun challenge to do, and I really had fun doing it. And it just looks... it looks really good. It really does. And that is it for this video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.